Keeping up with our motto, let learning be joy and teaching be a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Keeping up with the motto, let learning be joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Yeah, Mrs. Sonal Shah Doshi from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College, teaching you all geography today for grade 6, chapter 3, comparing a globe and a map. Field visits, part 2. What do you mean by the term field visits? So, as the term suggests, field visits are learning experiences outside of the classroom. Field studies allow students to gather their own data, provide opportunities to extend classroom learning through direct observation and experience, and allow for scientific research through field experiments. Field study trips can range from short walks in the schoolyard or nearby neighborhood to vehicle excursion over some distance for several hours to a full day. Purpose of field visits. Whatever will be the destination, the purpose of field visit should be to address specific outcomes in the curriculum. Field studies should be designed as learning experiences that are integral parts of a unit or theme being studied in a classroom. Steps in planning field trip. Preliminary planning by the teacher. Pre-planning with others going on the trip. Taking the field trip and post field trip follow up activities. Preliminary planning by the teacher includes make preliminary contacts, a tour on final arrangements with the place to be visited. Make final arrangements with the school principal about the details of the trip. Make a tentative route plan subject to later alteration based on class planning and objectives. Try to work out try to work out mutually satisfactory arrangements with other teachers if the trip will conflict with their classes. Prepare preliminary list of questions or other materials which will be helpful in planning with the students. Now, pre-planning with the others joining the trip includes discuss the objectives of the trip and write them down. Prepare a list of questions to send ahead to the guide of the study trip. Define safety and behavior standards for the journey there and the field trip site itself. Discuss appropriate traits for the field trip. Before the trip, use a variety of learning materials in order to give each student a background for the trip. Other people accompanying the group, like parents, other teachers, and school administrator staff, must be oriented on the objectives, route, behavior standards if required. Taking the field trip. Distribute route map of places to be observed. Upon arriving at the destination, teacher should check the group and introduce the guide. Special effort should be made to ensure that the trip keeps to the time schedule. The students have the opportunity to obtain answers to the questions. The group participates courteously in the trip. Evaluating the field trip. Could the same benefits be achieved by the other materials? Was it worth the time, effort, and perhaps extra money? Were there any unexpected problems which could be foreseen another time? Were this due to guides, students, poor planning, or unexpected trip conditions? Were new interests developed? Should the trip be recommended to other classes studying the similar topics? Here are the advantages and disadvantages of the field trip. Some of the advantages includes acquisition of lasting concept and change in attitudes are rooted on concrete and rich experience, real world experience, increase in quality of education, improvement of the social relations, provides new cultural context. Disadvantages: it is costly, involves logistics, it is extravagant with time, contains an element of uncertainty, lack of support from the school administration may possible, poor student behavior and attitudes may possible, shortage of resources and choice of venue, medical risk which will always be there. So, field visits. It is an important method of studying geography. It helps us to understand the geographical and social condition of a place. It provides an opportunity to directly impact with the local people and understand their problems. Oops, this year your field trip is affected by the virus. Here we are completing chapter number 3 of grade 6. Thank you.